Okay, so I'm dying to know what you guys came up with. Here's how I would have drawn the picture. My way is not the only correct way. Maybe you didn't need a picture for this, but hopefully you did because that's what the strategy we're trying to practice. But here's how I thought of it. Okay, so they have a streaky season. They begin winning 4 games in a row, and then they lost 12 games. After those 12 losses, they won every game, finishing with 3 wins for every 2 losses. How many games did they win after the first 16 games? So for me, 3 wins for every 2 losses was the kind of the key there. So I'm going to start with the losses because they lost 12 games, right? So I'm going to just, my picture is going to be negative signs because they lost points. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, I know that they did 3 wins for every 2 losses. So I'm just going to break these up into 2 losses. So that gives me my 3 wins per 2 losses. And they began by winning 4 games in a row. So I'm going to do those in blue. So 3 go here and 1 goes here. Okay, I'm going to change color just so you guys can see. So this takes care of what I know here. And then after those losses, they won every game, finishing with 3 wins for every 12 losses. So now I've got to fill in the rest. So they did 3 wins for these two, 3 wins for these two, 3 wins for these two, and 3 wins for these two. So now we can count the first 16 games were the first 4 wins. So I'm going to take these out. And then the 12 losses. Now this is the first 16 games, right? Because 12 plus 4 is 16. So what is left are the greens, okay? So how many games did they win after the first 16 games? Well, they didn't lose again, right? Because then they lost 12 games in a row. That's what they did after their first 4 wins. So these all count as wins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The answer is 14 wins.